Hi friends, welcome to my new vlog video. Today video my home tour, new home tour. Recently this house built. Friends, look this my house, new house. Recently will do constructed. This is main entrance. Total work not complete. Some work pending है, छोटा छोटा वर्क स्मॉल वर्क पेंडिंग ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट हो गया हमारा घर. दिस इज टेम्पल फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज टेम्पल रूम. दिस इज किचन फ्रेंड्स, किचन. भगवान है गॉड लॉर्ड वेंकटेश्वर स्वामी. टैप. See friends, see this kitchen friends. Good है, bad है. This is side door friends. This is wash basin. Wash basin. This room is master bedroom. Master bedroom with attached. See friends, geyser. This is my new house, my dream house. So many years, my dream house. So many years looking, thinking for this house. Finally reach, finally constructed my house. This is children bedroom. Totally double bedroom. One big hall and 2 bedrooms. Super house. So 2 space. Two large. My house is big head. 2 bedrooms, 1 big hall, kitchen and temple god. See this is hall. Same house, Hyderabad, construct cost 25-30 lakh. मेरे को प्लेट 20 लाख हो गया.